Hi, my name is Zara Abdulrehman and I am a pastry chef and owner of Patisserie by Zara. To be very honest, I never truly had the desire of becoming a chef, but I do remember having this feeling of enjoying good food and cooking good food. I used to spend 8 to 9 hours a day at my day job, and I would come back home and the only thing that I would want was to get into the kitchen, cook something good for myself, for my friends, and that's where it all started from. Now, if you ask me, this initiated from a Betty Crocker cake mix box, and I used to make those cakes and my friends would eat them and they'd be encouraging me so much. Oh my God, Zara, this is so nice, this is so delicious. And you know, that is what truly encouraged me, but honestly that was just the start of it. I never truly thought of becoming a chef. When I met my husband and meeting him, his mom is a pastry chef. She's a pastry chef for the last 30 years, and she was the one who added fuel to my fire, and she said, you know what, it's not very hard, you can go ahead, you can do it, and she has made a living out of it. So that was something that opened my eye and made me realize that, you know what, it's not too late to change a career path. There are other options out there. What I felt was that doing those cakes gave me a lot more happiness than going to my day job. I told myself that, you know what, I realized that I was hitting a plateau in my job, and I decided that if things go my way, I will quit my job and I will take it up full time. So when I realized that, okay, I'm gonna do this, I started to do the orders on the side, and I used to come back from my day job, which is 8-9 hours of work, come back home, bake things for friends and family. They would really enjoy it and they would really appreciate it. As we all know, we have to shift the business dynamic in a way where people really did want to celebrate. However, they were having these restrictions. Somebody had to just call us, place an order, tell that we are having a birthday party, and all we would do is go there, set up everything, and then they could just have a little gathering of their own, which was a safe and meaningful celebration, something that they could enjoy by themselves, because the year was just full of so much of restrictions. However, we do really want to have a little bit of joy as well, and that was our way of delivering that to them. And this is not what I feel, this is what I truly believe, is that there are always going to be different career paths. There are always going to be different career options. You can never say that I chose a career and I'm stuck with it. No, you're going to always find different passions at different stages of life. I found that after working in a corporate company for several years, and then realizing that my true passion lies in feeding people, cooking good food, enjoying that with others. That's where my passion lies. So if I could find it, I'm sure that 100% people around can find it too. It's never going to be easy, but the pain that you're going to go through is what makes it all worth it. Happiness and success is not about the goals. It does not lie in the goals. That's what I have realized. The joy and the true happiness that I have found is actually going through the struggles, through the pains, through the challenges of achieving my goals. It's always in the journey for me, and that's where I believe the happiness lies. That's where I believe the success lies, because that's where growth is. It's not in the goals, it's in the journey that you take. That's what I am looking towards, what I'm going to learn, and wherever it takes me, I'm looking forward for that.